kick things off with the base. So to kick off the base of the roots, I'm gonna let I call it my little Kofi. My little Kofi, and I'm gonna let it sit on top. A little African scarf here. I'm gonna let Kofi kind of sit there. Now this alone is cute, right? Right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm now going to put on the scarves. I saw like Natural Nisi did like 2 of them. Now I'm trying to figure out if she put in a ponytail or if she just I think she let one scarf and then she did the other and then she put the ponytail holder. So let's see how this goes. But she did 1 and she did 2. Now mind you, my hair is not as elongated as hers, so this might come out a little different for me personally. Okay, so I see what kind of happened. Like she kind of, but she did it with 2. I mean, I could probably stop at 1 if I want, but oh wait a minute, it's not that secure. I want to leave well enough alone and tie it first. And I'm going to get the other scarf. I'm just going to do my best to pull my hair down, kind of create a little tension, and then I'm going to do some scrunchy action here. See guys, I'm learning as I'm going. I actually think this should do it. Oh no, I got some hair poking out. Oh, but I could also recover with some water too tomorrow, just in case if something comes out. But I'm gonna stick some more bobby pins. I'll just do that off camera because I don't have time to find them right now. But yeah, this is just my little elongated scarf here. I'm trying this. I got like all protection here. This better not move. I'm not playing with my hair today. This better not move. So yeah, so I think this should work, and then we'll see how it is tomorrow. I'll always fix it if there's any mistakes, but let's see guys. I'm just gonna let it go overnight and then take it down tomorrow. It might be still wet, but we are aiming for a wet look here, so yeah. I'm gonna put some bobby pins to kind of tighten this down and kind of give me a flat look. Wow, exhausting, but I hope it's worth it. I'm gonna have to break this video down into parts because y'all, this was a journey, this was a saga, but we did it though. All right, stay tuned. Don't you go no place. All right, see y'all in the AM. Hey guys, all right, this is the moment of truth. I'm not even gonna waste no time. Yeah, I'm kind of scared, y'all. I don't know how this gonna turn out. Right. There goes the first, the second. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Got a little frizzy right here, but I could add a little more mousse, but I'm gonna take off Kofi. Alright. I had a pin somewhere right here. Now I'm just gonna take these off. Ooh, I have a line right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm just gonna add just a little more Just a little more water. It's just for right here, because I think right here just got a little frizzy, but it's not too bad. I just gotta get it. But I mean, let's see, hold on. It sprung right back up. Oh my god. Putting a little more gel here. Just a little more. Like especially these parts. I always get frizz around this area. Like right around here. Then I'm gonna just throw a little mousse on. Okay, and then Sleek and Shine. I'm going back like this way with the hair. Okay, I'm going underneath too. But just I'm going back to add some more Sleek and Shine, right? That's the idea, that's the point. Then I'm going to put on actually some sprays of mine. So I'm going to put on the Iron Guard, just a little where I'm holding it away from the head, kind of. This will help prevent frizz. This will give me some hold. Especially in the almighty front here. I just don't want to dry my hair out too much. Finish things off with the Shine Infusion. So I'm going to finish it off with that. Okay, got a little on my camera, I think. And I forgot. I'm going to use a little Got To Be. Just a little on the edges, just for safety purposes here. Just so old girl can hold down. I'm not going to do any fancy edge work here. Alright guys, this is the best I could do. This is how it came out. I tried everything I really could. It just didn't pan out the way that I had hoped. I think it still looks cute anyway. I'll just call it a bomb ass wash and go. Like my little fit? Well, you can see the top of it, but yeah. Yeah, this is it. But yeah, this is the best we gonna get. But you know what? I like it. I actually dig it. I'm just gonna probably put a little more product in the back just to keep it from like drying and frizzing out. Okay guys, for real, I'll be gone in like 2 seconds, but I just wanted to show y'all. I just diffused my hair and decided to call it a day. So yeah, I'm just gonna treat it as a bomb wash and go and take it for what it is, and elongate it and stretch wash and go. So I now found the secret of what I can do to get a really nice wash and go. At least one way of doing it. So yeah, but I'll show you guys the back. Yeah, I'm ready to take on the day. All right, but guys, that's it. I'm gone. Bye.